Welcome to Monster Truck Classics unboxing of BIGFOOT from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. This was back in new for 2022, and BIGFOOT was in the crash squad. I got this as a Christmas present off of the BIGFOOT website. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the package. Here is the back of the package, and BIGFOOT, the name of the truck type, pickup, strength, car crushing shocks, and the crash attack is the original stomp, and it came with a connect and crash car. I always like the drawing that they do up here on top and the name of the truck and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and unbox BIGFOOT. Onto the Connect car. This is what the Connect car looks like, even though it's also crushed. Onto BIGFOOT. Now this reminds me of the old school BIGFOOT whenever it would go through the mud bogs back in the day in the 80s and maybe the early 90s. We get mud on the wheels, also on the tires itself, on the chassis, and on the metal-based body also, as you can see, splattered up. It's really cool. There is a difference in the color of the brown that they chose. The wheels are a little bit darker than the tires, and also the chassis is a little bit different. It looks like the same color brown as the wheels. Bringing it around to the front here of BIGFOOT, and you can see how it is splattered on the truck. That's really cool to be to look very authentic and stuff. Mud bogging, going through the mud, even up top here. Check it out. That's very cool how they did that, where it has the name of the truck right there. There's splattered mud right there. So that's pretty interesting that they did that too, going into the detailing. So there we go. And also the base of the truck is brown, covered in mud, for a BIGFOOT, the original monster truck. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for tuning in.